just moving over a base plate. Don't know what you call them, but yeah, this one was beat up and badly repaired and a bit warped, so I'm just going to move it over to a better one. Still used, but in much better condition. Fairly simple, if I remember right. Blade comes off, easy enough. Turn the reverse thread around the way you shouldn't think. The way you don't think it should go. And then get this circlip off. Try not to lose it, and you can loosen up that bolt, which I think is reverse thread as well. And then I think you have to take this guard off as well. So that circlip off. Ooh. That just lifts off. Just don't forget the spring. And then this can come out. And then it's just a case of taking that nut and bolt out. It's a PH2 in the top there, and 8mm. And they're not on too tight. Or at least they shouldn't be. That should just come out. A bit snug that. There we go. Oh, that is though. Rotates around. I'm sure it does something. I just don't know what it is. Alright, he comes straight out of there. Chuck him out of the way. And then just do the reverse. Stick it all back together. Should just be as easy as that. Yeah. It's a bit stiff. There we go. And then that's a lock washer, so you don't have to tighten it all the way up. You want it loose enough so that moves fairly freely. I like it to be a little bit tighter, so when I do lift the bed it has a little bit of resistance, but it's still smooth. And then I want to stick him back in where he was. Oops. Try to show you, but it just falls out. So I'll just do it flat. It's fine. Yeah. Stick the knot back in. Oh yeah, reverse thread. Duh. And then get that snugged up where you want him, and then you know when he's tight he's locked all the way down and he's not going to move, so he's in the bottom position. So you can align it wherever you want, but if you want to be able to open and close it, you want him pretty much lined up with the bottom when he's tight. So then when you're flicking back up, he's loose, and down is super tight. And then throw him back in. Should be easy enough. Just like that. There we go, back in business. Put the guard back on. Good chance to give them a clean. Make sure that's still in there, which is just a bearing surface for this slide. Sure it doesn't catch on him. There we go. Make sure that spring goes back where it wants to go. Make life easier. Stick him in there, and there is a little hole just there to go in there, and then you should find when he sits back on, does what he's supposed to do. There we go, and then circuit goes back over. To pinch your fingers. There we go. And stick your blade in, preferably the right way around. Spinning that way, that's backwards. Spinning that way, that's the right way around. Oops, don't want to do that. You want him in first. He engages in there. Put him in the right way, that'd help. So the centre bore actually catches the saw. And then locking nut, give him a new nut, his old one was knackered. There we go, that'll do. And that should be him ready to go.